Hello guys, welcome back to DNA Vlogs. This is Dipen from Pune, and today this is going to be a very quick video where I'm going to be explaining you how to install the 2022 Dominar 400 USB charger inside any Dominar. Now this is a 19 or 20 version. This is not 2022. So basically you have to buy this whole kit where you get the main charger, main USB charger and its mount. Okay. So to first install the mount or install the charger in place, not the wiring. First we'll look at the installation in place. So you have to loosen these two bolts and nuts, 1 and 2. Okay. So it's visible from this side. Okay, this nut. To loosen that nuts, you have to remove this top cover first of a handle. Place your handle out here. Below that you will find two nuts, two bolts. Remove those, hold those two bolts from upside and loosen this from another spanner at the bottom, and then once this is off completely, push this one inside, put this plate inside along with the USB, and then mount this whole thing back, tighten everything, and this is how it should look. Okay, after that you will have this kind of socket from the charger, and to this socket you need to connect another one which will look something like this yellow one. This yellow one does not come in your bike, nor the Bajaj people will provide it. You have to somehow source it from any old wiring or something. You don't get this separate. Okay, now once you have found this male female part, okay, consider this as male, the black one as male and female as the yellow one, or vice versa. And once you get that, so this is your ignition switch ka socket. In this socket usually this one would be plugged in. Now this bike has been open to install Explorer kit, so that's why I can open you show you all this very clearly. Usually it will be inside your wiring hub over here. Okay, so now what you have to do is, from this socket take look at the positive wire. The brown is positive for charger and the black yellow is earthing. Black yellow is earthing everywhere in your Dominar. So you have to insert the corresponding wire. So the corresponding brown wire of the socket that comes from the black and then transfers to yellow, that you have to, now in your case this might not be yellow, this might not be brown, this might not be red yellow. So whichever color your socket is there, make sure that the brown one which is coming on this side goes to the main brown of the vehicle. Okay, now this brown in the bike, okay, this one gets electric supply or gets power supply, gets supply from the battery after you turn on the switch. Okay, after you turn on the switch, that time it gets the power supply. So that way, once you turn on the switch, this will get supply and it will go to here. Once you put the USB pin in it, USB cable in it, it will get, the circuit will get completed, and this point you have to, second one you have to give to earthing. Now I'll be doing this again on my Dominar, on my Explorer, so that time I'll explain the complete installation in detail. But for now, I guess this should be helpful for those who want to install this on any version of your Dominar, be it 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22 को तो by default आता ही है, even 250s. It was kind of boring and very tutorial kind of, very lecturing kind of, but I hope you get a brief idea of how to do it, how to install, or whether it can install or not. So thanks for watching. This is Dipen from Pune and signing off for now.
Abrázame toda la noche, no nos queda mucho tiempo más. No quiero perder lo que queda. Seguimos siempre la pasión y confiamos solo en el amor. Yeah. No quiero perder lo que queda.